Okay, good morning dear students. In our previous lecture we already done about the matrix, order of matrix and some important example of matrix and some types of matrix. Okay, and now we will start from square matrix. Square matrix. Okay, basically the square matrix is a matrix in which number of rows equal to number of column. A matrix A equal to Aij is a square matrix if m equal to n. This is the order, and if m equal to n. In which in this matrix the number of rows equal to number of column. For example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, this is a matrix in which the number of rows equal to number of column. Okay, we have three rows. This is the first row, second row and third row. First column, second column and third column. We have three rows and three columns in this matrix. So this matrix is known as square matrix. Similarly, B equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16, 17, 18 and 19. Okay, this is also a matrix in which the number of rows equal to 4 and number of columns equal to 4. This is a square matrix. Okay, so basically square matrix are those matrices in which the number of rows equal to number of columns, or we can say that this is the element of the number in the form of rows and column, but in this matrix the number of rows equal to number of column. Okay, and some important parts inside the square matrix. First is diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. Okay, basically the diagonal matrix are those matrices in which on first the diagonal matrix is a square matrix, or we can say that a square matrix is a diagonal matrix if only the diagonal elements are present and other are zero. It's mean 4, 5 and 6. This is the matrix of order 3 into 3. Okay, in which only the diagonal elements, this is the principal diagonal and other are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. Only the diagonal elements are present and other are 0. Then the matrix is known as diagonal matrix. Okay, similarly the other type of matrix is the order of 2 into 2. This is the diagonal matrix 1, 5, 0 and 0. Okay, this is a diagonal matrix. Second is identity matrix. Identity matrix. The identity matrix is a matrix in which only the diagonal elements are, or we can say that a diagonal matrix is an identity matrix if all the diagonal elements are unit, or all the diagonal elements are unit. It means first is it is a square matrix, second is it is a diagonal matrix. It means इसके पास केवल यहाँ पे एलिमेंट होंगे. This is 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0 and 0. But in the principal diagonal, always the unit elements are present. It means this is 1, this is 1 and this is 1. Okay, so this type diagonal matrix is known as identity matrix. Okay, or we can say that a diagonal matrix in which the diagonal elements are 1, 1, 1. Okay, then the diagonal matrix are known as identity matrix. Okay, third kinds of matrix is upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix. Okay, upper triangular matrix is also a square matrix. Okay, first it is a square matrix. Okay, suppose that the order of the matrix is 3 into 3. Okay, it is a square matrix in which all the elements above the principal diagonal, this is the principal diagonal. Okay, this is the principal diagonal. All elements above the principal diagonal are non-zero, okay, or some elements of the principal diagonal are non-zero, but below the principal diagonal all the elements are zero. It means below the principal diagonal, this is the principal diagonal. Okay, suppose the principal diagonal is 1, 2 and 3. Then below the principal diagonal this is 0, 0, 0. Below the principal diagonal all the elements are 0. Below the principal diagonal all the elements are 0, but above the principal diagonal and principal diagonal are maybe 0 or not equal to 0. Okay, this is the 3, 4 and 5. So this type matrix is known as upper triangle. इसका मतलब इसका ऊपर का इसमें the triangle above the principal diagonal are present. Okay. Similarly, the lower triangular matrix, lower triangular matrix. Okay. A lower triangular matrix is a square matrix. A lower triangular matrix is a square matrix. Suppose we can take the example of 3 into 3, in which all the elements below the principal diagonal, this is the principal diagonal 1, 2, 3, all the elements below the principal diagonal are present. Okay, but above the principal diagonal all the elements are 0. So this type matrix is known as lower triangular matrix. Okay, student. So these are some types of the square matrix. Okay, or in our next lecture we will learn about the matrix multiplication, matrix summation, and some important operations on matrix algebra. Okay, thank you.